Looking for a cheap, dependable waffle maker for your kitchen? This $40 Chefman Belgian style rotating waffle maker is currently one of the best-selling waffle makers on Amazon at the moment. But let's see in this video if it's worth the $40 that you're going to need to get yourself one of these. Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Lee from ShouldIT, and in today's episode of the ShouldIT Waffle Maker series, we'll be taking a look at the Chefman Belgian style rotating waffle maker. We've got a unit right from Amazon here, and I'm going to unbox it, see what's inside, and then take a quick look at just exactly how special this waffle maker is. Let's dive in. So the box content is very simple. We have a user manual, and then we have the waffle maker itself, a plastic dish that's supposed to go to the bottom here, and there is a top stainless steel surface here. Most of the parts composed of the waffle maker is made from a type of smooth plastic. On the inside, you'll find, of course, the waffle plates, which is coated in a layer of non-stick coating. And we can't forget the handle here, very large and conform to the hand quite well. Now we're going to run the Chefman waffle maker through a very quick test with a self-made waffle batter here. And in order to do that, we need to plug in the unit. Here is the power cable, and as expected, it's not very long. And I'm going to pick the middle cooking setting. So after just 1.5 minutes, the ready light is finally on. And the waffle plates are nice and hot. But before I pour in the batter, I have to do something first, which is give it a very thin layer of cooking oil right on top. Now that it's nice and oily, I'm going to give it some batter. Once the lid is nice and tight, I'm going to rotate the baking chamber 180 degrees. After just 1 minute and 20 seconds, the waffle is not fully formed just yet. So we decided to give it 4 or 5 extra minutes, so for a total of 6 minutes, and I think that it should have done it. The waffle itself is still very wet. It's not ready to be eaten just yet. According to the instruction manual that we got out of the box, the ready light is supposed to come on after about 5 minutes of cooking. But in this case, it turned on at around 1 minute and 20 seconds. So really fast. And when we lifted the lid that one time, the waffle is still not ready. The anti-spill tray at the bottom does it work really well. We intentionally pour a little bit more batter than necessary to test out this function, and it's actually managed to keep the table of our lab quite clean. And as for the waffle itself, as we mentioned earlier, we would like the color to be a little bit more on the golden brown side, as well as having a more crispy texture. But as we can see here, the result is not quite desirable. So that's it for today's unboxing and quick test video of the Chefman Belgian style rotating waffle maker. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to catch the full review of the Chefman waffle maker that's coming onto our channel in the upcoming weeks. Thank you for watching. I'm Matthew Lee from ShouldIT, and happy cooking.